Want to clear a collections account from your TransUnion credit report? Here's how to do it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you the steps to remove a collections account from your TransUnion credit report and improve your credit score. Step 1. Log into your TransUnion online account. Step 2. Review your credit report and locate the collections account you want to dispute. Step 3. Click on the dispute button next to the collections entry. Step 4. Provide any proof or explanation that supports your dispute. Step 5. Wait for TransUnion's investigation, which usually takes up to 30 days. Step 6. If the collections account is inaccurate or unverified, TransUnion will remove it from your report. Quick tip: pay off collections debts if possible, then request a goodwill removal letter from the creditor for better results. Like this guide, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and comment below with your credit questions. Thanks for watching.